Hey boy, yes sir, come over here boy, yes sir, I got something I want to show ya, yes sir, you want to see boy, you can track me, you can hack me, you can lock me up but don't chip me, track me, hack me, lock me up but no chip please. My phone is with me everywhere I go. My data plan keeps me connected to the world. 5G networks working overtime. My every move is calculated and archived. Boy, yes sir, come over here boy, yes sir, I'm talking to you now boy, yes sir, now take this chip boy, you can track me, you can hack me, you can lock me up but don't chip me, track me, hack me, lock me up but no chip please. This goes on forever and a day. Friends are not friends and likes are for display. Nothing is real and everything is fake. Times are changing and I just need a break. Boy, yes sir, come over here boy, yes sir, I'm talking to you now boy, yes sir, now take this chip boy, you can track me, you can hack me, you can lock me up but don't chip me, track me, hack me, lock me up but no chip please. You can track me, you can hack me, you can lock me up but don't chip me, track me, hack me, lock me up but no chip please. Yes y'all all know how that goes. They can see us. Peace.